Hi, I'm Tanya, ADTRAC advisor for Conwy Youth Service. I hope that you're all staying safe and hope that you're all well. I know it's quite a difficult time at the moment for everybody. There's a lot of uncertainty and a lot of worry about. But I hope that you're all staying as safe as possible. Remember that we are here over the phone or text contact, whatever you prefer. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all remembering to do a little bit of exercise every day. I think that really is important for your well-being, to get out and about. We're quite lucky at the moment that the weather's quite nice. So it is important to make sure that you get a recommended at least half an hour daily exercise. I hope that you're all sort of keeping yourself as occupied as you can if you're isolating, and I hope that if you do need to go out for emergency supplies or food shopping or whatever that may be, that you do keep the recommended safe distance from people and make sure you follow precautions and wash hands, etc. I'm sure you all know. Just a little bit of a challenge for people, if they're up for it. Try and spend at least an hour, 2 hours without your phone or without the telly, because I know it can be quite difficult to occupy yourself when you are indoors. Try reading a book, maybe go back to a hobby that you used to, whatever you feel really, just try and keep your mind occupied. Anyway, thanks for your time and we'll see you soon. Take care everyone, bye.